Rain, rain, go away. Rainy season is definitely just around the corner. And here are some interesting facts about the rain. Rain has an amazing shapes of raindrop. You think it look like teardrops? But, they indeed look like chocolate chips delights. Rain makes the grass look greener. Rain droplets contain dissolved nitrogen that comes from the air. This free and natural fertilizer makes the grass look greener after rainfall. The earthly smell released by the first rain after a dry spell is called petrichor. Never-ending rain. There is no end to rain in Mount Waialeale in Kauai, Hawaii, as it has up to 350 rainy days every year. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Wanna get paid to use social media? Click the link in the pinned comment below.